Well, fourth one started, that is nothing but as a better standard of living. So better standard of living of the people. So due to the entrepreneurship, we have to increase the better standard of living. So due to that, that will play for the economic development of our country. So every country's entrepreneurship, due to the business, every people they are getting a better standard of living. When incomes raise, income generation is more and more, then automatically the standard of living of the people is a little better. So that will take you on the economic development of a country. That is also a sign of a due to that entrepreneurs. The next one we have to move over that production evaluation process. So in the production stage, production process, the new production it will be started, new technological process it will be started, new machinery it will comes, new technology they are adopted in the production and continuous process it will start. Due to that, when the production will be increased, automatically economic development of our country will start. That is also a vital role played by the entrepreneur. Due to that, the production evaluations. Then next we have to move over that balance regional, that is a development. Due to the entrepreneurship, others connected business, other connected transportation, other where the income is not generated, that it will be because of an entrepreneurship it will be developed. When the entrepreneurship it will develop, automatically the transportation business will develop. There are so many connected like the hotels, like the shopping centers, and there are so many connected shops and all this it will be developed because of the entrepreneurs. That will take you balance the regional development it will play by the entrepreneurs. And then next we have to move on that promote countries export. Due to the entrepreneurship, a export business will be started when the almost all businesses will develop in our national. Then next step we have to be cross the boundary and we have to go to in the other countries and we have to start our business around the same. That is nothing but is because of the entrepreneurship. Our promote countries export it will be increased and the income generation it will be increased. Due to that, entrepreneurs the tax it will become or the income it will come from the other countries and we have to be invest in our country and automatic economic development it will possibility is there. That is also. The next we have to go economic power. Our day by day, when the entrepreneurship business it will be developed, starting development on the same, automatically economic powers it will come. So people will be getting a easily jobs, easily business, income generation, standard of living means that no one has unemployment, no one has underemployment, everybody they got that employment means that income generation will start. That is something that as a economical power. Then next we have to move on that creating innovation. Creating innovation is that every time we are getting a new product or new production it will start, new product it will start, new service it will start. In each and every field we have to give for the innovations, new technology it will comes and new type of everywhere we are getting new products because of the entrepreneurs. So that will when the new products it will be arrived in the market and the income generation it will people will start the buying more and more and through the tax and our economic development possibility. That is also be a creating innovation. Then last one is nothing but as a welfare of each and every people in our country and each and every department, each and everything and also be a government labor, everybody's welfare will be set up because of this entrepreneurs. So that is why everybody know importance of entrepreneurs in economic development is very playing a vital role for the development of our economy. So these are the today's explanation. What are the importance of entrepreneurs in economic development? It will play a very vital role for the development of our economy. These are the points you have to write. And if you want, you can add more points and you can write on your own words and all these things. And you have to add more. And these are the points: is that employment opportunity, increase national income, new product, new service, new business, better standard of living, production evaluation process, balance regional development, promote countries export, economic power, creating innovation, welfare. These are the possibility is for the economic development. If these points will develop, automatically economic development of our country or any country's economic development will be possible. possibility because of the entrepreneurship. So these are you have to be remembered, and you have to be take down your notebooks or you have to save in your mobiles and all this thing. Next time we will be continuing about today. We have to stop here. Take care and wherever you have to go and wear a mask and all. Okay, good day.